Cava is Spain's answer to Champagne from France or Prosecco from Italy. It's their national sparkling wine. And when you taste a good one, you never forget it. This is the May Negra Cava, and it's from Penedès, just near Barcelona. It's lip-smackingly refreshing. Really dry, crunchy acidity, flavours of green apple, pear, and a really chalky finish. I love drinking a glass of this on a warm summer's day.